Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2020 GLC 300 4MATIC. This one's black. Under the hood is a 2-liter inline-4 turbo pushing out 255 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque, paired with a 9-speed automatic transmission. We've got front and rear LED daytime running lights. For wheels, we've got 18-inch 5-spoke wheels. Tires are in good condition. A black MB Tex interior, panorama sunroof. Coming around back, we've got our GLC 300 4MATIC badging, power liftgate, a set of all-season and regular floor mats, fold-down rear seats, cargo cover. Coming alongside, this one does come with the Premium 1 package, which is going to give you a blind spot assist, a nice natural grain gray oak wood trim, LED logo projectors, heated seats, memory seats, power windows, heated steering wheel, our new touchpad steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, a 10.25 high resolution media screen, which is now a touchscreen, push start ignition, a rear view backup camera, dual climate controls, our hard keys, a wireless charging station, USB port, our new touchpad for our new media display, dynamic selects for different driving settings, volume button. This GLC has 5,493 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this, check out feldmannimports.com.